If you want to see your first Instagram message without all the scrolling, here's a method you can try. First, head over to the Instagram chat window and pick the conversation you're interested in. Next, tap on the contact or group name at the top of the screen, which will bring up some options. Select Search from this menu. Now, type in a keyword or phrase from your initial messages and hit Search. Scroll through the search results and select the last one. They'll be arranged in descending order. This should get you pretty close to the beginning of the chat. From there, scroll up a bit more if needed to find the very first message. Instagram also offers a handy tool to download your data. First, open the Instagram app and head to your settings. Next, tap on your activity and then find the option that says download your information. Now you have the option to select and download specific data. Click some of your information, scroll down, check the box for messages, and then click next. On the next page, select download to device. Here you'll make a few decisions: the date range, the format, and the media quality. Finally, click create files to download your data.